Hi everybody! So today I'm going to show you how to use your SaddleDash on your SaddleBook account. And this is a great video for if you're new to SaddleBook. Even if you're not new to SaddleBook, this might go over some features that you weren't aware of. So let's get to it. So I'm on the home page of SaddleBook.com. I'm logged in. I'm going to go ahead and tap on my SaddleDash. So this will bring me to my association, so any event that I've ridden in, my horses, and then my people. So starting with the horses, these are all my horses that I have on my account. You can add new horses here. You would just tap on add horse and notice that you can also open up horses that you currently have, so you can change their names, you can add photo, you can add any other kind of additional information about your horse here if you choose. And then after doing that, you just tap on update horse. Now under here is my people. So it's really important that if you're the account holder that you keep your profile. You don't edit your profile as far as the name goes. You keep it your name. You can add additional information for yourself in here, but you want to keep that you. And then you can also add people. So this is if you have grandchildren or children or a spouse that you want to be on your SaddleBook account. They're not going to be setting up their own SaddleBook account with their own email addresses. You would add them here. So you would just tap on add person. And then once you do that, you would update the person and say you're going to do an entry for your grandchild. They'll come up as an option. You can then select them and then move forward with the entry. Now, if I move up here to associations, these are the organizations that I am a part of. So Naomi's Barrel Racing, SaddleBook, these are organizations that I've ran in their events. So let's see, if I tap on Naomi's Barrel Racing, this is going to bring me to my ride. Now, if I've ridden in multiple events, you'll see multiple of these up here populate. And to find your entry, you'll just tap on this. And then it'll bring up your entry so you can see what's going on. Let's say the event's already happened, you would see your times. They would come up here as well. So I'm going to go back to my SaddleDash and I'm going to tap on this one for Billy. So see, we've got Billy and we have Naomi that both ran in the same event. So if we tap on Billy's entry, we see, oh, Billy got a no time and then a 15.789. We also see Billy's draw numbers for both of the classes. So this is how you would access your entries on your SaddleDash. So that's how to use your SaddleDash. I hope that was helpful. If you guys have questions, please feel free to email us info@saddlebook.com, or if you're watching this on YouTube, drop a comment below. We love to hear your feedback. And everybody have a great weekend.